All right, Scott, you want to walk me through what you have here at the Dana booth at
absolutely.
HDAW?
So this is our new Dana Driveline Demonstrator. We're using this with TriTech, who's our third-party training service. Really, we just wanted to take an opportunity to show technicians and the public how does an inner axle work, how does a driveline work, how does a ring and pinion work together. So we start off here at our rear. Obviously, our inner axle drive shaft's connecting the two. But it's air powered, so we can control the diff locks from our forward control panel, watch how the diff lock actuator works, see how the hubs work. Going forward, we've got our inner axle differential up there. We can see inside how that diff lock operates, how the output shaft works, and how the torque is applied from the front of the motor all the way to the back, to the rear. And then along the sides here, we've got our complete portfolio lineup of our Spicer parts. We've got Spicer steer axles, yokes, universal joints, and center support bearings. Each one of those items have got a number, and then it's identified out there on the Driveline Demonstrator. So as we work our way down, of course, we've got our center support bearings, but that one's on a threaded jack rod so that we're able to lift and lower to demonstrate and show the differences in driveline angles. We can take those numbers, use Angle Master, and calculate operating angles of our U-joints.
Oh, that's cool.
So all that's connected then up through the front, we've got a motor spinning it, and then we've got a complete control panel. And the control panel is where we can actuate the inner axle, the diff locks.
Okay.
We've got operating here with our light systems, and our air pressures are right there as well. Everything's self-contained, so we've got a battery, we've got a VI air system hooked up along with battery chargers, but it's a pretty sweet setup. We're getting a lot of positive feedback here from the group.
Yeah, and you said you do, so obviously very cool to have at a show and be able to see. I mean, puts it in a different light than just have products sitting on the tables.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, we want to be able to show how everything interacts with the entire system. It's not just buying an axle, it's not just buying a gear set, it's a complete driveline setup. So the technicians will be able to get in here and do work, and then also the public gets to see how it all works together.
So you're touring with this then for
a
training?
Little bit, yeah.
Yeah,
we're gonna have this at a couple of different shows. This is the first time it's been out in public.
That's super cool.
Well, thank you. Yeah, appreciate it.